a famous book, an author, or a beginner who is take a first step. I am writing a new story. First time किसी का भी अच्छा नहीं होता. Still very good as a beginner. Hey readers, welcome to the channel and I hope you miss me. So today's video is not about a famous author, a famous book and a book which everyone knows. Today's video is about new author or a beginner who is writing their first word on Wattpad and take a big step to write a book as a new author. Everyone at the beginning, it's hard to take a first step. This and there are so many new authors which finally came out and starting writing their books. And if you believe to giving a chance to the new authors and you believe they deserve a chance, so watch the whole video and let's be real, coming into this community of writing is tough. There are already so many good authors, so many mid authors, so many authors still which writes so much goods but still didn't get recognized by everyone, and there are so many authors who quits just because no one reads their books, right? So it's hard to be in this community already. There are so many authors I came around recently which are so good, and I really want to recommend you to them and tell you to give them a chance. So let's begin the video. First we have Nantara, Her Arranged Marriage by Moonrise. Nantara Shekhawat, a 23-year-old medical student, confident, stunning, independent, doesn't believe in love. Honest to the point, and she married to Rudraksh, not out of love, but a lack of choice and lack of circumstances because of something. Heart surgeon. Our main lead is a heart surgeon. He's kind to the people. He is a good person as a doctor, as a surgeon, and she is of course work under him. And she's just going to start her internship, and this book just started. It has one chapter and it has tropes like doctor, medical student, arranged marriage, grumpy sunshine, age gap, hate to love, touch her and die, everything. And I love finding a book about doctor because of course जल्दी नहीं कोई लिखता, हर जगह CEO ही होता है. So I like this book because of the character. He's a doctor, and I really want you all to give this book a chance and give author a chance because she's such a sweet person. I have talked to her and she's such a sweet person and I love her. She's such a cute person. So yeah, give her a chance. She's very cute, very nice, very fun. You will love her and you will love me also. So yeah, give her a chance. And let's move to the next story. Second, we have Revized and Ryu by Vridh Avarnik. Aryan Singh Rathore, a high-powered, powerful, and a ruthless hotel tycoon. Cold-hearted, of course. He's a Wattpad man, of course. And he has no place for softness for anyone except Niharika, her childhood sweetheart. Okay. Niharika Rajput is a powerful female lead in this story, and she Where she goes, she owns the place. She walk like she own everything. She's a powerful girl, and they both are CEO. They both love each other. They both are childhood sweetheart of each other, but something happened between in past. Because of that, they have to leave each other, and, and now finally they are meeting after so many years, like so many years after their distance. They are finally meeting each other, and let's see where the story goes. And I just want to say that if someone's writing a new story, like even I am a writing a new story, जरूरी नहीं है कि राइटिंग स्टाइल अच्छा हो और फर्स्ट टाइम किसी का भी अच्छा नहीं होता, बट इट डजंट मीन दे डजंट डिजर्व अ चांस. कोई तो होना चाहिए बताने के लिए कि कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक होनी चाहिए. दिस बुक प्लॉट इज गुड. Writing could be better, but still I didn't mind it anymore. Like I love the storyline and all, and writing is still very good as a beginner, as a first person. And I like this book, and only want to give a chance to this. Okay, next, let's move to the next one. Third, we have The Wheels of Rivalry by Unhinged writer author. Unhinged author. Okay, so she wants marry Samriddhi, not out of love, not as her husband to protect her, but as a punisher to hurt her, to break her. Because when his mother died, he the death, he become heartbroken, and now he just want to uncover the truth of his mother's death, and the only key to uncover this is Samriddhi, and he married her, and now he swear to hurt her at the point in this marriage, but he doesn't know he's starting falling for her slowly and slowly. Now what will happen between these two? But there is a thin line between hate and love. He doesn't know about this till now. Thin line. This book is a slow burn, and if you are in a slow burn, like I love slow burn. मुझे नहीं पसंद स्टोरी ऐसे आगे बढ़ते चली जा रही है. No, I love slow burn. So this book is great. I love this book, and I want I all want you to love the author, love the book, and this book has almost I think 20 chapter right till now, and I think it's a lot. As a new author, she's writing it without still consistent and writing it, and hoping someday someone read her book and appreciate it. So yeah, go and appreciate her. I love making someone day, and I like when someone smiles just because of me. So go and make her smile her. So yeah, move to the last one. Next we have Her Obsession by author Velvet. So this story is not a sweet love story, it's a wild ride of emotions, pain, secret, and Roshni Khanna is a 21-year-old rich spoiled girl, but deep down she has lot of pain, and she has an obsession whi- which name is Advait Rai Singhania, 28-year-old cold, powerful, dangerous man. He doesn't believe in love, and he only loves power, which he has. And the girl is in so love with him and made him marry her. had some circumstances. So yeah, this is not your typical love story, but not unforgettable. So yeah, give it a try, and I hope you will like this. If you are in a dark, if so, yeah, this one is the last, and give it a chance. And I hope you will love this book. These writer might have not the huge following still yet, but your support can change everything. Read their book, like their book, give a review, leave a comment on stories, and remember every famous author start from a beginning. So let's help the new author to build a story which they want. If you enjoyed this video and if you want some hidden gems of Wattpad and more recommendation, more anything, leave a comment and tell me what is your favorite book, what is your underrated favorite book, and if you want me to give some recommendation about something, and I really want to make some fun video also, so you can give me recommendations and give me ideas what I can do. Okay, and let's build a community which lift each other. Thanks for watching. As always, keep reading, keep enjoying, keep supporting, and keep discovering. I will meet you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.